Today I am going to give a presentation on biometric and fingerprint payment technology. So these are my contents. So hand geometry and hand shape technology. So this concept was introduced by David Sidlowcus in 1985. It was actually dated back to 1960 and it was commercially uh, uh, dates to the early 1970s, which with one of the first deployment at the University of Georgia in 1974. The US Army also began their testing of hand geometry use in banking in about 1984. The uh, the concept was patent or hand geometry was patent or the identification was and in 1985. Hand geometry, how it works. So basically, hand geometry works when the hand is placed on the LCD screen and the screen under the screen there are cameras which take the pictures or some of the cameras records the uh, curvature and thickness or width of the hand and helps and passes the data after capturing the images and or recording. It passes the data to the backend with and compares the data with the backend stored data. If it matches, it allows the user to use the machine or it denies the machine. It denies the user. In many of the it can be used in many ATMs. Like if someone has to take money or withdraw money, then he has to first insert his or her personal identification number or PIN, and then he has to fetch, and the recognition system fetches the stored biometric record and associated with the entered PIN prepares the system to match it with the hand scan that follows. The user has to put his or her hand on the platen to have it scanned, and scanning and verification process is quick and take less than second on modern hand recognition systems. The hand geometry readers or recognition systems use the digital cameras and lights, use LCD screens and keypads, assist with the enrollment and verification process. The digital camera scans the hand geometry and passes it. The hand geometry captured image measures the length of the finger, their thickness, their width, curvature, and relative locations of the other features. So basically, biometric system can seem complicated, but they all uses the same three steps. Enrollment. So enrollment, the first time you use a biometric system, it records the basic information about you, like your name or an identification number. It then captures an image of or recording of your specific trait. Second, storage. So contrary to what you may see in movies, the most systems don't store the complete image or recording. They instead analyze the traits and translate into a code or a graph. Some systems also record this data onto a smart card that you carry with you. Third, the comparison. The next time you use the system, it compares the traits you present to the information or on file. Then it either accepts or rejects that you should claim that who you claim to be. System also uses the same three components. Sensor that detects the characteristics being used for identification. Computer that reads and stores the information. Software that analyzes the characteristics, translate it into graph or code and perform the actual comparison. The biometric security system like fingerprint scanner are available in many mobiles or on the IBM ThinkPad, and it is becoming more common for home use. So advantages of hand geometry. So advantages of hand geometry. First, it is simple, fast, accurate, and easy to use. We don't need anything extra to carry with us. So it is like simple and easy. Performance of the recognition system does not vary with the condition of the skin surface. Like skin, it does not vary with the skin surfaces like uh, skin color, dirty, dirty skin, or diseased that affects the skin surface or color or wet or dry. Uh, hand Hand geometry recognition system can be integrated with our system like proximity and smart card readers. Disadvantages of the hand geometry recognition system. Certain medical conditions like swelling and injury in hand that changes the shape of the hand and can affect the performance of the system. If you have a like problem of swelling and has injury on the hand, it changes the complete hand geometry of the palm. Uh, it is not hygiene. Like hygiene may be an issue as subject to place their hands on scanning platen. As right now we are facing the pandemic like situation like coronavirus, it is not possible and or everyone thinks before they place their hands on the scanning platen. So these are my references where I got this information. Any questions? Thank you.